Okay, everybody, and welcome to the second episode. In this episode, we're going to tackle the second day. I was told there would be no math. So, in the last episode, we did day one, obviously. So now we should have a day two folder. Okay, so I'm going to open, I called it test1.py actually. txt, okay. So let me open this and this. We're going to copy our code from day one into here and just delete this. There we go. And then we're going to grab the test code for day two, pop it into there, and let's see what they say. The elves are running low on wrapping paper and they need to submit an order for more. They have a list of the dimensions, length, width, and height for each present and only want to order exactly as much as they need. Fortunately, every present is a box, which makes calculating it perfect. Find the surface area of the box, which is this. That's pretty nice. Okay, so let's get surface area. Given what length, width, height, return 2 times length times width, 2 times width times height, and 2 times height times length. Okay. The elves also need a little extra paper for the present, the area of the smallest size. Oh. The area of the smallest side, that's kind of tricky. Okay, so we need to figure out which one of these is... Okay, so let's... get smallest side area. I'm going to take the same parameters. Well, we could probably compute it in here, but yeah, let's do that. So we're going to return to area. Okay. Side. And let's think of what a cube looks like, I guess. Because it's like, there's 6 sides, and if you lay it out, it's like, okay. Yeah, I think I like this better. Okay, so that's one side. So it's 2 sides, kind of folded. I need to, okay. So we need another one of these. And then we need like another one. Something like that, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then There we go. So that's how many sides we need, right? I think. Okay, so we have surface area, and then we need to get smallest, let's call it SS, small side, which is going to be, let's see, I think it's tricky. Oh man, okay, wait. I'm gonna take a piece of paper. Okay, so if we have a box, I'm drawing basically the same diagram that I drew on there, but on this piece of paper. Okay. Because then we gotta think which side is which side. 1 second. Okay. So let's see. So let's say this is the front right here. So then this one would be the one connected to it. So this is the bottom. This side here is this side. The back side is, let's call it K for back. And then we have the viewing side and the top side. Okay, so now I'm going to label them in here so we can see. So this is the back, the bottom, the front facing away from us. This is the top side, the viewing side, the side that we see, and then this is the right side of the box. Okay, so we need to find which one of these is the smallest. So there's going to be 6 of them. So we're just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so, ooh. We'll just label them. Okay, so we're going to have front, bottom, right, back, viewing, and top. Okay. So length, width, and height. In this case, I guess width is depth, maybe? Height is height, and length is... No, length is depth. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, let's say it's not. Okay. So, the side that connects F and B is a length side. The side that connects B and K is a width side. And B and R is a width side. B and V is a length side. So length is like on the same plane as the letters. It's where this pipe is here. So this is the length side. This is the width side. And the height side is these two here. I think. The side that connects R and F is the height side. Okay. So this is the width, this is width, height, height. Sweet. So now, given this chart that I've made, we can say this. So the front is length times height. Back is length times width. Oh, I'm sorry, bottom. right is height times width. And then viewing is length times width. Yeah, height times width. Well, these are the same. That's fine. Viewing is going to be the same, and top is the same. So we only have 3 that are actually different. Okay. So then we just have to find which one of these is the smaller one. So if, I guess, we'll just do like an if thing. If front less than bottom. Yep. So then let's see. So then we're gonna end up just returning like surface area plus extra. For right now, we'll make it the front. So we're going to say front is not less than bottom. So front is not less than the bottom. Then bottom is greater than front. Which means that, no, bottom is less than the front. So if bottom is less than the front, then we want to check if bottom is less than the right. And if bottom is less than the right, extra equals bottom. Otherwise, extra equals right. In this case, if it is less than, well then front less than right. Extra equals front, which it already is equal to, or extra equals right. And then we set the width. Okay. And then should be good as long as I didn't mess up syntax. And then all we have to do is just take the sum of for line in data. We need to, what does the data look like? X, okay, so we're gonna split by X. Say dims equals line dot split on X, and then we just say sum plus equals get surface area dims 0 dims 1 dims 2, and convert it to int. Oh. And then print sum. Okay, so hopefully that'll work. Take itself a little while to run. Or there's an infinite loop. Oh no, okay. Why is it taking forever to run? Oh, because I didn't feed in the data. Okay. Okay, a lot of feet. Oh, put on my other monitor. Okay. So 1606 483. Is that right? Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so what's the second part? That took a while. The elves are running low on ribbon. Ribbon is all the same width, so they don't have to worry about the length they need to order. The ribbon requires the shortest distance around its sides or the smallest perimeter of any one face. Okay, let's pull out the piece of paper. So each present also requires a bow. The feet of ribbon for the perfect bow is equal to the cubic feet of volume. Donuts can they tie the bow to? No, okay. So we'll just get the volume. I can do that. Let's see. Def get ribbon length width height, and then we're gonna say volume equals length times width times height. Okay, sweet. Return volume plus ribbon. Okay. So we need to figure out what the smallest perimeter of any one face. So 2 by 3 by 4. We just picked the two smallest numbers, right? Okay, so we already did this here. I'm sure there's probably a min. I don't even think of that, but whatever. So length is now front. Oh, this is going to be weird. Okay. So let's call it A. Oh man, I just got messages. A. B. Oop. C. Make that a function. And we're going to say extra equals A. Return extra. And get smallest. Front, bottom, right. Sweet. Okay. So we're just going to get the smallest. Would be interesting. Okay. So I guess we can do this actually in the easier way. Because we can just make it like a list. Right? Like length, width, height. And then just like sort it. I don't know what this would do. Let's see. I don't know Python that well. I didn't call it. Okay. I guess we'll just take this. None. Was it like sorted? None. Well, luckily we have this open. Sort list Python. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Sorted the list. And wait, isn't that what we're doing though? Sorted list. Is a list? Print S. Okay, so does that print the smallest two? Let's look. 14, 12, and 8 should print 8 and 12. Perfect. Okay. So now we're just going to take this and I guess put it here. And we're going to say S0 plus S0, or I guess times 2 plus S1 times 2. Let's see if that works. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so let me explain how this works then. So in this case, the smallest perimeter is because all of them kind of share two sides. You know it's just going to be the smallest two sides of these. Which we didn't even need to do this, but whatever. And then the reason I didn't use like this method for this one is because we need to know the order, I think. I don't know. I guess we don't. I could have just done that. I could have done this. But either way, it doesn't matter now, I guess. So I just like guessed that it would always be the smallest two added together plus the volume, which is what they said. And so that worked. There we go. I guess that's it for this episode. And next episode we'll be trying number 3. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye.